Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we click look at various art books and magazines. A little Monty the Mouse is with us today, and what we're going to be looking at today is this, which should hopefully be issue number 211 of the ImagineFX magazine. So let's get into this one and see what we think about it. I love doing that to little Monty's nose. I hope he enjoys it. But our little friend Monty's here with his big ears. Boing. And well, so far this is actually it should be issue 211 for April 2022. These have been the 2022 ImagineFX magazine so far, and I'll put links and everything in the description for each of these. This one here was a Final Fantasy special. This one, well, this is my favourite cover so far, and this was the last one. But the thing for me is the glossiness. The glossiness of these covers is a little bit extreme for me. I much prefer matte finishes, but Monty's going to let us in on this one. Very excited for this, and the thing I wonder is what colour is it going to be. And also, somebody left a message on one of the videos saying this here was the first non-female character for 2 years or something, which I find that amazing. I like my female characters, I much prefer female characters, but I do think we need diversity as well. Little like, I'm hoping this is an animal. I'd like it to be a bright, colourful animal. What do you reckon it is? Oh, we've got Judge Dredd. Not my favourite, I must say. It's another bloke. That's interesting. So we've got two. Well, I like the cover. It's cool. It's just I'm not really like excited by Judge Dredd. He's a cool character, I suppose. But I'd like to see a lady Judge Dredd. I wonder if they've ever done that, a female Judge Dredd. So this is celebrating 45 years of 2000 AD. So this will be, here we go, look. Happy Chappy Proco. Stan Prokopenko, we like him, we do. I've got that pencil. It's cool. How does this fit into the covers so far? Well, I say this is my favourite. This is my second favourite. These two, I'd probably say this one is my third favourite. So this is probably my least favourite so far. And also they've all been very dark and dreary, I suppose, this year. I want some bright colours. So hopefully the next one will be nice and colourful. But let's get into this one. Little Monty's going to let us in. Boing. Oh yeah. Look, it's not Ian, is it, either? Boing. This one here is an editor called Rob. So in the last one we saw that Ian's not going to be here anymore. What happened to Ian? We had someone else last time, didn't we? Who was it? Hey, that's a bit weird. I didn't think... Or didn't he say... Somehow I knew that he wasn't here. That's weird. Am I missing a cover? How did I know that it wasn't going to be Ian? That's a bit strange. Oh yeah, because didn't he say that he was leaving or something? Somewhere, I'm sure somewhere he said he was leaving. I don't know, but here we go. This is the new guy, Rob. What do we think of Rob? I think he's a hard bastard. he looks cool. He looks like a sort of person I would like to turn into a character. He looks like he'd be in like a video game or something. I do miss Claire though, and I would imagine the editor has quite an impact on like the cover. Do you think? I wonder who decides on the covers. We got a bum. We like bums. Oh, I like her. Emma Black. She looks cool. She looks like somebody I'd like to have to be my friend. Look. She looks like she's a very sort of honest person. And then you've got the sketchbooks, which, oh yeah. So I'm liking the look of this guy as well. And this one looks nice. Some very nice looking things here. Anatomy Part 1. So next issue is going to be all about anatomy, which is cool. We likes our anatomy. Still get a free bag if you want it. It'd be nice, wouldn't it? This is the FX Pose. That's the guy out of Infamous, isn't it? He looks like Cole. He looks like Cole out of the first Infamouses. Oh, these are nice. I do think this is one of my favourite sections of the magazine, because we get to meet so many new artists and see so many different sort of styles and think, look at this. Look how beautiful she is, look. Amazing. Oh yeah, I like her outfit. Look, butterfly lady. And she's a sort of a robot or something, yeah. It's like a sort of a cyborg. This is the artist Veronika. Very nice name. I'm loving the colours here. One thing I wish ImagineFX did was had a page full of all the artists' faces at the end or something. Like what 3D Total Publishing does with their art books. I'm liking this. This is a bit like sort of, I would imagine, like ancient Egypt. That's what, it ain't got any facial features. Discover top NFT marketplaces. I don't know nothing about NFTs. I heard somebody talk about them on the Third Eye Drops podcast. And apparently what it is you create a piece of artwork and turn it into like a limited run, which I think is quite cool. So I don't know why everyone was getting their knickers in a twist over it, but the way they described it, it sounded cool. But I do know that they said about they can blockchain. I like the way this piece of the articles, this article's set out. This would be quite interesting, I think. Look, 25p each. That's what I mean. I feel like you're going to get a lot of a little bit of money, which will end up being a lot of money. So they're very affordable, but oh, I'm loving this. A Day in the Life of Ashley Stegon. This is the sort of things I like, the characters. See, that would have been a beautiful cover for me. Yay! Emma Black. Oh, cool, she's doing sort of psychedelic-y art as well. Look at all the art books that. Cool. She seems fun. That's the bloke off of Simpsons, isn't it? She's got Pokemons as well, look. She's so cool. Is that a gremlin on her cup? Emma Black in her studio. I wonder if she always wears black. There's a cool. Oh yeah, look. We've got Link as well. Hey, I got that. Pikachu. Look, I'll go and get him. Little Pikachu. We likes Pikachu. Hello. That's cool, isn't it? I think Pikachu's cool. He's one of my sort of favourite characters. He's very simple though, and he always looks happy, which is cool. He's got his tongue out on that one. Nice workspace as well. Yeah, that's like a she's got like a, I would say like a crazy room, but it also looks somehow clean. So I'll have to look into that magazine, I think. High Fructus. I want to look at these books as well. I'm always fascinated by what's on people's bookshelves. I think it's important to make your creative space feel personal and fun. Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's a cool room. Letters. I was looking into that the other day on. I saw it on eBay. I thought I wouldn't mind getting that. Celebrating 45 years of 2000 AD. He looks like a hard bastard as well, doesn't he? I wonder if he's ever taken his helmet off. Oh, she's cool. Judge Anderson. Is this a female judge or something? Don't know. Oh, cool. I like that. And that. I like the, yay, we're going to get different artists. Hopefully, is there going to be like, yay. Oh, this is good. So we could look into each artist. I like the speedness of these. Huh. Oh, I wish they did like a video game one like this. Like with a video game character. Michael Doling, I feel like I've heard of that one. That's nice. Quite interesting. Lee Gallagher. Look at his pointy head, look. Sketches. Nabetse, Zitro. Oh, I like these. I like this one. Oh, that is lovely, that one. Here's the artist, look. Nabetse, Zitro. From Paraguay. Interesting. Don't normally see many artists from Paraguay. That's a nice one. See, this is an artist I'd look into. Love that style. This is nice. Master detail and tone. Beautiful brush strokes. Going right through the process, look. There's the finishing touches when things... Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. I love that. What's this? Who's this artist here, look? Daniel Ibanez from the US. Top colour blending tips. Beautiful. Oh, these are beautiful. I like the lighting as well. Even this one, I don't normally like ships, spaceships and stuff, but this is cool. Oh, look at this one as well. Hee. Love this artist. This is cool as well. He's using Rebelle 5. See, I wanted to get that because they give it away for free to subscribers, to new subscribers, and I thought it's a bit unfair that loyal customers don't get this software because I'd like to try it out. But I like the craziness of that. Create a calm cyberpunk illustration. Sort of like cell shaded-y. I like it better when it's got the legs in it. I like this composition better than that one. Look at him, look. What have we got? Review. Hey, Affinity Designer. I just put that in a couple of weeks ago. 1.1. Affinity. So what I've got Affinity Photo, Designer and Publisher, and I actually use Publisher to create a little thing for my sister, like a leaflet thing. And what's brilliant is, if you're inside of Publisher, you can basically use all the tools from Affinity Photo within each thing. So in other words, it's almost like the 3 packages become one, like one super package, which I thought that was quite cool. Batman 89. Echoes. Hey, this is quite interesting. They've done a comic special for the reviews. So fitting in with the 2000 AD thing. Still using the same cheap paper now. That's a shame, that. I don't think I'm ever going to get over that when they stop using the sort of textured paper. These are nice, and these are all done with the oil paints. Oil paints, graphite, charcoal. Oh, cool. These are watercolours, these are. Watercolour, foil and graphite pencils. Sort of psychedelic-y. I like those. Gradients and how to use them. It's amazing that is done with traditional tools. It's brilliant. That'd be quite interesting to read, I think. This is James Gurney, isn't it? Hey, is this James Gurney? Yay, a James Gurney. I didn't know James Gurney did figures. I thought he was mainly dinosaurs. That is brilliant though, isn't it? That you can look at a dinosaur and know that it's James Gurney. He's basically, I think, hey, we got a Todger. I think James Gurney has basically controlled the dinosaur artwork. He's like the master of that, I think. We might have to blur that sausage out, I think. It's a bit draw male and female figures. And that's the end of it. Julia Ludman. She's the one saying goodbye today. And look, paper power. Well, that was a nice one. That didn't have any real memorable characters. My favourite thing is probably the sketchbook and this was brilliant. This bit here. What did you think was the favourite thing? Look at that, look. Imagine that on the cover. If that had been on the cover, that would have been my favourite issue, or my favourite cover, I reckon, for the year. It's cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was a look at issue number 211 of the ImagineFX magazine for the month of April 2022. And hopefully you'll come back for some more. I've got loads of art books coming up over the next few weeks and months. It's going to be quite cool. And one of them is actually a Marvel, how to do Marvel comics book, something like that. Hey, there's a little thingy here, look. I think somebody's firing bullets at the magazine. Can you see see that? There's a little indent in it. An imperfection. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and see you later for another one.